Apprehensive. Feeling worried, nervous, or anxious about something that might happen in the future. He seemed apprehensive when he heard the unexpected news. They were apprehensive about moving to a new city. Gutted. Feeling extremely disappointed, upset, or heartbroken about something. He was absolutely gutted when his plans got cancelled. They were gutted to hear that the event was postponed. Spooked. Feeling suddenly scared, frightened, or startled, often by something unexpected. The sudden movement spooked the cat. He felt spooked walking alone at night. Indignant. Feeling angry or upset because something is unfair, unjust, or wrong. They were indignant about the decision that affected them negatively. I felt indignant when I saw someone being treated disrespectfully. Bummed. Feeling disappointed, sad, or upset about something. He was bummed about not making the team. They were bummed when it started raining during the event. Paranoid. Feeling overly suspicious, fearful, or worried that something bad is happening or that others are against you, even without strong evidence. I get paranoid when I think I've lost my phone. They were paranoid about being watched during the meeting. Petrified. Extremely scared or terrified, so frightened that you feel unable to move. He stood petrified as the thunder roared loudly. They were petrified after hearing footsteps behind them in the dark. Unfazed. not disturbed, worried, or affected by something that might upset or surprise others. They stayed unfazed during the stressful situation. I felt unfazed even when things didn't go as planned. Pumped. Feeling very excited, energetic, or enthusiastic about something. He was pumped to start his new job. They were pumped about the upcoming trip. Glum. Feeling sad, quiet, and a little disappointed. They sat in a glum mood after the loss. I felt glum on a rainy day with nothing to do. Drained. Feeling extremely tired, exhausted, or lacking energy. He looked drained after finishing the intense workout. They were mentally drained from all the stress. Sullen. Being quiet, gloomy, and showing irritation or bad mood. The child became sullen when he didn't get his way. They remained sullen throughout the meeting. Exultant. Feeling extremely happy, joyful, and proud, especially after a success. The team looked exultant after their big victory. They were exultant as they celebrated their success. Bustling. Full of busy activity, energy, and movement. The city looked bustling during the festival. They enjoyed the bustling atmosphere of the downtown area. Excruciating. Extremely painful or intensely uncomfortable. She described the headache as excruciating. It was an excruciatingly slow process.